Phil, Haimer are at MACH. What are we going to see?
Well, we're an innovation-led company. We have some new machines available to see, and also showing the i4.0 connectivity between all of our units.
So people know you're big on Industry 4.0. So what is that connection between the machines?
So we are able, through a central database, to really allocate the tool build through a vending system, and then through a process of scanning QR codes, assemble the tool according to the CAD drawing.
Fantastic. So talking about new technology, is that something that's going to be on show?
Oh, yeah, there's always new innovations from our company. We develop between 8 and 10 new ones every year, and in particular we have some new machines on shrinking.
Great. So we've got a live slot on Wednesday afternoon. MTD are going to be on your stand filming. So what are we going to be showing the people that aren't available to come?
Well, the machine behind us, the Violinear machine, which is fully automatic with an automatic ballast reader. We have our new power clamp air machine, which is specifically designed for shrinking special contours and ER collets, and our Industry 4.0 standard shrink machines.
So also from being at MACH, I've heard you've got a promotion running. Can you tell us a little bit more about that?
Yeah, we have a promotion on all of our machines that we'll be showing, and it runs beyond the show as well. So it will start at the beginning of MACH. So if anybody's interested, come along, find out some more details.
So if you want to see Haimer at MACH, they're in Hall 20, stand 551. See you there.